I am Dhanasekaran from Namakkal. I did my BSc Electronics and Communications in the Arts and Science College, Namakkal. Initially, I got a job in BPO company, and there is no growth for my career. So I want to change my career into IT field. So one of my friend suggested me to join QSpiders Chrompet branch. QSpiders has a great place to learn technical and communication skills. So I joined QSpiders in August month. Their staffs and faculties are very friendly and to clear all my doubts. And finally, I got a job in manual testing in MNC company. And thank you all to get a job.